Good evening. Definitely a different situation here. I'm filming at like 9:30 at night. Wanted to make sure it was dark outside. So we are in my garage, and what you see is my engine bay, and it might be kind of hard to see because, well, it is nighttime. I do have 8-foot LED lights on the far side of the garage where my work tables and tools are. But over here, where the car is, well, you can see how it is. And I need to fix that because I do like working on my car. And, well, sometimes you gotta work late at night. And I love having the garage door open. Like right now, it just feels amazing outside. I love it. I love the fresh air. But this right here is the issue. It's dark. And I do have little shop lights I can set up and all that. But I wanted a more, I don't want to say permanent solution, but a more fixed solution than having to drag around a light, a workshop light. So I had an idea, and well, I want to show you that idea. And it's hard to see because, well, ain't no dang light in here. That's a lot better. My idea was this. I went to Harbor Freight. This is the Braun 5500 lumens 4-foot LED light. And what I've done is I have used these magnetic carabiners off of Amazon. They're about $1 a piece. When I bought them, about $1 a piece. And I used those carabiners to attach the LED light to the garage door. So when I do open the garage door up, I still have light. And this light was like $23, not on sale. Not a bad price. I think it's reasonable, honestly. It does say you can link up to 8 of these. And so I put this up the other day, and then I thought about it, and I went, and I got a second light. I'm not sure that if it makes much difference on the video, but man, does it really brighten things up over here in this bay. So 2 of these lights for $46, $47 with tax, I guess, 48, whatever. And a couple extra bucks in carabiners. And this whole bay is just lit up like daylight. I do think I'm going to add this to the other side as well. But as I said, and I'm going to pause this for a second and show, well, actually you can't really see because it's so damn bright, but they're just attached by magnets to the garage door. When the garage door closes, they kind of fold inward. They kind of collapse inside the garage door itself. It's nice and compact. Yeah, so this is a pretty cheap solution to give you a lot of light inside of your garage. And again, for me, it was perfect because yes, I could have mounted lights above the bay, but when the door is open, well, that's going to block it. So this fixes that problem. But yeah, so for, I don't know, $52, I guess, give or take. If I'm taking into account, the 4 carabiners, I see this is a great upgrade. It gives me plenty of light here in the engine bay and to work on the car. So it's an idea. Think about it. I don't know.